What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can connect and create to a Debian server in AWS. So to get started guys, you want to ensure that you are logged into your console. From the search bar, search EC2. Under services, select EC2. Select launch instance or the name of the server. I'm just going to call it Debian. Under application OS images, you want to go under quick start and click this little icon here to scroll over and then select Debian. We're going to keep the default settings for this tutorial. To log into the server, you are not going to use a username and password. What you're going to be using is a key pair. So select create new key pair. I'm going to be calling this Debian. For the key pair type, select RSA. And for the private key format, select PPK. Then select create key pair. Please keep in mind that you can use one key pair to access different servers. So if I select from the drop down, you'll see that I have several different keys that I could have used to access my server. However, in order to use a key with a server, it must be assigned, right? So even though I have different keys, if it's not assigned to the server, I can't log in with it after creation. So for the security group, I'm going to be keeping the default option here as create security group. For allow SSH traffic, I'm going to be selecting my IP, because if you allow from anywhere, then anyone who knows your IP or stumbles across it can just automatically access your server, and you do not want that. Now on the storage, we're going to be keeping the default because we want to benefit from the free tier. However, if you want to add a new storage volume, you could select add new volume. Over on the summary, you can choose to create multiple instances. So here I'm just going to be creating one instance and then select launch instance. So the creation of my instance has been launched successfully. Now this is the instance ID, so select the instance ID. On this page, the server will be in a pending state until it is changed to running. So typically this will be changing in less than 1 minute, right? So here it has changed to running in about 15 to 20 seconds. So what we want now is our public IP so we can connect to the server. So select the instance ID. Here's the public IP address. So you want to select this icon to copy. Now you can launch your favorite SSH tool and then select PuTTY. Specify the IP. However, we're not going to select open just yet. We need to use our private key to authenticate to the server. So under connection, let's expand SSH, expand auth, and select credentials. Then you're going to browse for the private key file that was downloaded. So select the private key file and select open. Now we're not going to select open just yet. So let's go back to session. Here we can save the session so we don't have to open the private key file each time. So select save. So when you launch the PuTTY session again, you could just select this and then select load, and it will populate the IP address and the credential as well. So select open. Now the default user that you're going to use to log in is admin. Once you type admin, just enter. And there you go. You're successfully connected to your new Debian installation. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.